All right, good morning, everyone. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Is conversation boring? Anyways, we're up here at the Amiga Travel Agency at the Horizon Frontier Hotel. There it is. Waiting for our driver to get here to head down to Manila to start our interview for the 13A visa. And didn't get much sleep last night. Brownout happened. I don't even know what time the brownout happened, but and of course with the brownout the air conditioner kicks off and you start sweating and everything. So anyways, we are, like I said, waiting for the driver to get here. Very exciting day today, at least for me, I think. Finish up this 13A visa process and become a permanent resident here in the beautiful land, or the beautiful islands of the Philippines. All right, so we have arrived here at the Bureau of Immigrations. Right now we're got like an hour to wait. So we're here. We got a Starbucks right here. We're here at Starbucks grabbing something to eat, something to drink. There's Lot. And right over there is the Bureau of Immigration. And like I said, we got like an hour to kill. So the guy that brought us down, he's going to go in and register us when they open. And he said we should be the first one. Some of these old buildings right here. When I'm done eating, I'm going to take a stroll around. But we are here.
We are here and have our breakfast.
We are here and we are having our breakfast.
Awesome.
This is just some of the area here around the Bureau of Immigration. You got the intramurals right here to the right. So we're down in the historical part of Manila here. So we're going to just take a little stroll around here and check some of these buildings out. I checked this building out, well, I checked quite a few of these buildings out the last time I was down here. This building here is pretty cool, I think. Pretty cool looking. I think it was bombed during World War II when the liberation of Manila happened, if I'm not mistaken. But they got monuments all over here explaining different things. A lot of it is, I think, in, I don't know if it's in Tagalog or if it's in Spanish, but I think this building's cool. Just a cool looking building here. There's what? Yeah, there's a plaque over there. I've read them before. The Bank of the Philippines right here. Not mistaken, I think where the Bank of the Philippines sat was a church. We'll go over here and we'll check out the plaque they have out here. Yeah, Santo Domingo Church and Convent. Well, the Santo Domingo Church obviously sat where the bank is sitting right now. It was destroyed, I see. Oh, there it is. There's the history of it. Collapsed because of bad foundation, burned in 1603, constructed the third time, destroyed by an earthquake, destroyed by another earthquake. I don't think the church was meant to be here. But anyways, the bank sits on the property of the old church. I don't see the old church anywhere. So we'll walk. Just we'll walk that way. That way shaded. That way's got some sun, so we'll head this way and check out this area over here. All right, guy selling some mangoes, green mangoes. Not my favorite. Well, let's see what they got going on down this way.
That's a church.
Yeah, that's an old church in front of us there. And just vendors set up here selling food, it looks like, and anything else you want. Morning. Yeah, canteens.
Something here than the other people.
They have canteens. They have canteens back by on the other side of immigration also. Yeah. College of Santa Rosa. Morning. Smells good. Everything just smells good. Yeah. Hey, we'll stroll down this way, check out this old church down here. See what's down here. Bunch of bicycle trikes. Pedicab, pedicab. That's what it says, pedicab. Pedicab.
Pedicab over here.
Yeah. Oh no, hindi po. Salamat, thank you.
It's bigger than Angela.
That's a cool church. Huh? How to watch. To watch we don't get run over. Yeah. Hello. Morning. Oh no. No, thank you. Salamat. Oh no. They think we're here looking for tours. We're here. Of course we're here for the BI. Yeah, we'll head over here to this little park here. It looks pretty nice. Show you the front of this church here in a second when I get a better angle to show you. Check this thing out. And of course I want to sell it. Well, thank you. Salamat. But yeah, check out the front of this church. It's pretty cool. I'll wait till I can back up here so I can get a really nice shot of it for you. All right, here it is. Everybody's trying to sell you something. Look at that. That's neat. Oh no, hindi po. Hindi po, thank you. That's cool. And man's trying to sell something made out of banana leaves. Oh no. No, thank you. Hindi po. Good, thank you. Then over here you got a guy that's going to give you a buggy ride. Or some buggy ride if you want it. Huh? Palacio del Gobernador. There you go. Oh, there's the church bells. guys, check this out. This is not a monument. It's actually a trash can that they have here that you deposit your trash into. You don't see many of those in Angeles City, but yeah, they got them here. There's quite a few of them. They don't want you throwing your trash all over here. Yeah. Not today. I am not here today for a ride. Oh no, good. Hindi po, thank you. And they got two of them here. I told, look, we're gonna have to come down here one of these times. We're gonna have to come down here, spend a day or two, check all this out, because this is all historical stuff, and I'm into the historical type things, so it's on the list of things to do. That was the Plaza de Roma. That's a Del Roma is the park that we were in. Oh. Here's another one right here. Horses look small compared to the, maybe it's a different type of breed of horse. But I'm actually taller than that horse. You know what, guys, if you're ever down here at the Bureau of Immigration and you just got some time to kill, you know, looking for, you know, you get here early like us, or, you know, you're just looking to kill some time and check things out, walk around down in this area. A lot of the buildings have plaques on them, let you know what's going on, you know, what was where, at what time, and what the building was, or what building of historical value sat there. Check it out. I mean, don't be afraid, because you're in a big city. People are smiling, they're friendly. You know, there's security and police all over here. So yeah, I mean, check it out. Yeah, the vendors and stuff, they'll try to hound you, and you know what? Go for a ride if you got time. You know, spend a little bit of money and enjoy this area. Like I said, it's a neat little area, and we'll definitely be coming back here to you know, check more of this area out in the future. And another thing is, you got Chinatown, which is really close to this area also. We drove through it as we were coming here, and I don't know, I think they said it's the oldest Chinatown outside of China itself. I think that's what I was told. I could be wrong, but yeah, that's another area to check out down here. But now we're just going to keep on walking and checking some more things out. It's a little view of that building that was bombed out during World War II. That was earlier in the video. I think it's just cool looking in there. Neat looking. I don't see anybody hiding in there. Big bars on the windows. Side view of it. Walls are falling down inside. I just think it's a neat old cool looking building. Here's another little park area. Actually straight. No, that's not Abraham Lincoln. Straight ahead, like directly straight ahead, is the side of the Bureau of Immigration, and then there's that big old building. That big old building kind of sits like in the middle. It's like a big, like I said, it's a landmark. So, but yeah, anyway, straight ahead. Where it says that's Abraham Lincoln, or asked if it was Abraham Lincoln, is the Bureau of Immigration.
No, he looks like
it. Kind of does look like Abraham Lincoln sitting in his big old chair, but guys, there's Lutz Abraham Lincoln. If you're not familiar, Abraham Lincoln was a president during the Civil War, and down in Washington, D.C. they have a memorial, and Abraham Lincoln is sitting in a big chair in the memorial, the Lincoln Memorial, I think it's called, and she thought that was Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln.
Look, get in there next to Abraham Lincoln. Get in there. Go in there, Lud. Stand next to Abraham Lincoln in his chair. just so you can kind of see the size of it. She comes up to his kneecap. So. All right, we are finally done the interview. Waited almost 2 hours, roughly. We were the first one to go in, first one on the list, and here is how the interview went. He asked me if my name was Brian, and then he mispronounced my last name, and I said no. I said my name is Brian, and then I pronounced my last name correctly. He then asked, when did we get married? And we told him the day and the year we got married and the month. He asked if that was Louisa's signature on the piece of paper, which she replied yes to. He said okay. He goes, I need you to print and sign your name. Both of you print and sign your name on this piece of paper here. And we did that. That was it. End of interview. Maybe 2 minutes at the most, but it was that simple. It was that easy. A lot simpler than the first time. The first time we were in there for maybe 15 minutes. Guy asked us quite a few questions, but it was that simple. So now it's just a matter of waiting for about I think almost a month, and then they'll send me my passport with the new stamp in it and my new 13A visa, and then I'm good to go. So we're gonna head back to Angeles right now, and I don't know what we're doing this afternoon. All right, guys, I think I'm just gonna wrap this one up. Nothing special happened when we got home. We actually laid down and took a nap for a couple hours. Then Look got up, and then she went to the store. But you know what? I'm so happy that this is completed. Just got to wait about a month, and I'll get my passport back with my 13A visa stamp in it, and I'll get my iCard, and I'll be good to go. Now, when Look and I first came this last time into Manila, when we decided to, live here permanently, I got the Balik Bayan stamp, and then within the year, I applied for the 13A visa, and I've been on the probationary 13A visa for the past year, and this one now will be the permanent 13A residency visa that I will have. When I first started coming to the Philippines, I did all the extensions as a tourist fees every 2 months. Get the stamp, go back, pay more money, get the stamp. So I don't have to do that anymore. The only thing I got to do every year is do an annual report, and it's 310 pesos, and I'm good to go. I can come and go out of the Philippines, and yeah, I mean that's great, and that was one of the things I wanted to accomplish within the first year or so that I've been here. So anyways, that's done. Tomorrow the part's supposed to come for the Kia. Checked online, it says it's en route. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow, so tomorrow that'll come, and hopefully it comes early so I can get up there and get that put on and get the car back. But anyways, tomorrow's a new day, and the journey continues.